Page 365, Minuet. Okay, another one by Bartók. We can expect some interesting harmonies, I'm guessing. It's 1 page long, treble bass clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're going to pretend this is in the key of C major. I don't know if it is there. Do the scales in arpeggio for C major and A minor, and you've heard it. Okay, blah, blah, blah. 3/4 time because it is a minuet, and we have a pickup. So we're coming in on the and of 2. 1 and 2 and. Right hand first, we got a lot of parallel 6 going on. Remember those? We need to talk about that because different people will approach this differently, and I don't like the idea of being set in. You got to do it this way. Ugh. I'm not that dogmatic. It just doesn't work in my opinion. Although a lot of teachers are, you do it this way. Oh, okie dokie. Do it the way your teacher tells you to do it while you study under him, but understand another teacher may tell you something different. If we do 1/5 on all of these, the technique I would use is, because I'm using the same fingers and the distance is the same, it's the same hand position, we're just moving around. Hand position means the form of the hand. We're moving around. I only make aim 1 finger, and in this case, the top finger. Not that fast, but that's what I'm doing. And the thumb just does what it does. I'm concentrating on the little finger, not the thumb. You'd be surprised at how well that works after a while, after you've done it a million years. Go slow. Make sure you're flexing the wrist here. Don't tense up because you want to hold that position. Make sure you do that because that'll help keep relaxed. You can forget the rhythm for a bit. Just get this. Second line on measure 5, you'll hear. Yeah, so you get all that. And you're thinking, well, the left hand wants to play 2. Well, stick in there. It does. Now, not everybody would use 1 and 5 on all these, including me. I generally would not do that. I like to use 5 and 4. I like to use them both. I do 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4. And 3. See, I'm not moving. The thumb's playing the bottom part, but here. And then measure 5, it's here. I'm going to catch all of those in one, and then come down. Again, I catch all those. So I just spread out a little more, so I'm not moving around quite so much. Now you have little hands that may not work for you, so I don't know the size of your hands. There's nothing wrong with 1 and 5 on all of these. And if this were an etude and he's doing this, I would say do that fingering because it's probably part of the etude. Now, I'm not familiar enough with Bartók's music to know if he intended this as an etude or not. So I'm not an expert on that. Can't talk about that part. But that's the right hand for the most part. Left hand, you're here. Until we get down to the 3rd line around measure 16. Now you get it. I have a little shake in my left hand. It's a medical thing. Doctor said live with it. I thought yuck. And it screws up my playing. So I can't do this so I don't have that control like I have in the right hand. It's a bummer. I'm left-handed. You'd think I could do that. So I struggle with this. But again, I don't use 5 and 1 on everything. I do this. And here for measure 19, once I'm here, then it's 3 here. So I'm not moving around so much. It's a 5, 4, 5, 4. That way I'm ready to go down. How I do it. You have to decide on the fingering you want, or of course your teacher, if you have one, will decide for you. So that you have an idea of that. And the rhythm shouldn't be a problem. Let's put the hands together slowly. You're here. I'm going to use the fingering I normally use. You can use 1/5 on these if you want. So I put the heads together slowly, slower than that actually. Then go back over it maybe a couple lines at a time or so and get rid of the hesitations. Keep it slow, but no hesitations. Then I add the articulation. Short staccatos, flexing at the wrist. An accent just a little louder. And we're soft here, so that accent note is very, because I want to hear the right hand. So this is very soft in the left hand, I say, and then the accent would take it up to about a soft is all. Accent. Here, both hands. So you get the idea? It's that way throughout. Now on measure 17, you'll see it's poco marcato. Poco means a little, marcato is marked. Bring it out a little bit. It's almost like they're all accented just a little bit. Here. The left hand. Here. The left hand, keep it in the background. Yeah. Until the end, then the right hand can come out. Understand though that this end's soft. This whole last line or so is soft. The poco marcato is just going to take it up a little bit. Sort of a moderately soft in the left hand, and the right hand is soft. Now there is a grazioso there at the beginning. Grazioso, you can look that up. It's a mood. Be in that mood and go for it, whatever grazioso is. To me, it's happy, playful, fun thing. Yeah, a happy little minuet, I guess. And andante. Well, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's just a nice leisure pace. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 1.5 counts because we come in on the end of 2. Is ready and go and yeah. Let's play it together. I'm not doing any dynamics because you see the swells and cases. You get a little okay. Ready and go. And 2. And 2. 2. Rest.